This video is a comment on the two-stroke video. I went back to riding the two-stroke this week. How was it after riding electric? Does the two-stroke still feel just as fun, or does it seem like you're missing electric? So, let me tell you this. It took me 5 or 10 minutes to really get the groove back in the two-stroke with the shifting and the clutch work, but I loved it. I didn't miss the electric bike. I loved the two-stroke on the trails. It was refreshing to get on a different kind of bike. However, I got to tell you this. I've been riding the Stark in motocross and single track and turn track and everything here for the last few weeks. I rode the Stark on a motocross track this weekend. And then I got on this Yamaha. And this felt like the biggest piece of hammered dog crap I've ever rode in my life. And, you know, maybe this thing needs some love. I think the clutches are slipping a little bit, or maybe it just felt like they're slipping, but I just felt like I couldn't get the power when I needed it. It was loud and annoying, and every little sound that was coming from the engine annoyed me. Also, the starter, Bendix or throwout bearing or whatever it is that engages the gear, it's failing. So I don't know if it'll do it right now. Hear that? Starter's just spinning around. That was annoying. Had to deal with that all day. So yeah, I think I'm done with gas bikes on a motocross track. But yes, I'll always ride a two-stroke 300 for single track because it is a blast.